Today's quick video will dive into the More Options tab. You might have seen it briefly in other videos, but today we'll focus on these 4 options to help you get the most out of your PleaseSign account when sending documents for signing. We will cover how to set an access code, set redirect paths, request file attachments from recipients, send a signing link to a mobile phone, and add an extra layer of security with a 6-digit authentication code to ensure the correct person received and signed your documents. Let's get started. Click More Options and select Set Access Code. Manually enter the access code in both boxes. Share this code with the recipient using a method other than email. Press the blue Save button after entering the code to save it. Please note, do not share this code via email to follow multi-factor authentication guidelines. In the More Options tab, the second option is Set Redirect Paths. You can set redirect paths using a URL for when a document is completed or declined, different from PleaseSign's default settings. Just enter the desired URL and click the Save button. The third option in the drop-down menu allows you to request a file upload from a recipient. Any files uploaded are encrypted end-to-end, and encrypted at rest just like all other documents on PleaseSign. To request a file, type what you require into the message box, select the maximum number of files needed, and tick the box if the upload is required. If marked as required, the recipient must upload at least one file before they can complete and sign the document. Click the orange Finished button when done. Finally, our most popular option is the mobile phone option. This allows you to send mobile signing links and 6-digit authentication codes to Australian mobile numbers. Simply enter a mobile number in the space provided. Tick the top box to send a signing link to a mobile phone number. For added security, tick the bottom box to send a randomly generated 6-digit code to a recipient's mobile number, which must be entered before they can open and sign the document. Once you are happy with your selection, press the orange Confirm button to proceed to the next step. Note, there are extra costs for sending to mobiles and using the 6-digit authentication codes. Each tick uses 1 SMS credit, and SMS credits are automatically enabled on your account on a pay-as-you-go plan by default. These cannot be disabled. For more information about our easy-to-use digital signing solution and workflow management platform, go to pleasesign.com.au or submit a support request from our contact page, and one of our friendly support staff will contact you.